Ka-artarik uyayong kalong sisya kasngi ke bakarpang, kamtam nagbanta ki paj runget ka Shillong Archdiocese. Namar hakani kasngi, Snem hajaran rio, kabalang kelayo hadu arngut ki Bishop, kata u Reverend Archbishop Victor Lyngdoh, buat u Reverend Bishop Vincent Kempat, bam kuai hadu arublay. Menta kasngi ki Lyngdoh buat kirang ba kabalang jong ka Archdiocese, kilakan mau kerpang ya kani kasngi, da kajing ot yokiek haying Bishop, da u Reverend Archbishop Victor Lyngdoh, bankan mau ya kajing long Lyngdoh saat, jong u la menta khan riu Snem. Bat hakini ki khan riu Snem, u Reverend Archbishop Victor Lyngdoh, ula syarai haboro lightly ki diocese, jong kari kasi jantia, kata kanong stone diocese, Jawai diocese bat menta ka Shillong Archdiocese.
For the gift of priesthood, for the gift of bishops in the church, and of course the Archbishop is the fullness of priesthood. We all share in Christ's priesthood. We all share in the ministry of the bishop. That's why we are all gathering around this table here in order to praise and thank God for the gift of priesthood, for the gift of the Archbishop to each one of us, to the Archdiocese, to all of us. 16 years as a bishop and serving 3 dioceses, I think it is enough reason for us to celebrate. And it is an opportunity that maybe not many bishops will get such a chance. So we only hope and pray. But anyway, we think that there are no more other dioceses to be promoted after becoming Archbishop. Anyway, you will not get any more a diocese. Even if you have been promoted higher, you will get only as cardinal. So we are very happy and glad, Archbishop. Thank you for accepting the will of God to say yes, to serve the church, to lead and guide us, especially as Archbishop of this Archdiocese. I would like to say perhaps it's not out of place if we say that today we shall also celebrate the 1 year of Archbishop taking possession or becoming the Archbishop of Shillong. We have not met to say that. On a day like this, we would like to congratulate you, Your Grace. We would like to thank you. We would like to assure you of our prayers, of our support, that you may continue to shepherd this Archdiocese in the way that the Lord wants. And we have seen in these few years, in this 1 year and 2 months, as you have said, we have seen a pastor in you, we have seen a man of God, we have seen a shepherd who is so humble, down to earth, and everyone who have come to this house have experienced your welcoming gesture, especially being open, being friendly, and being a brother, a father to everyone. On this day, once again, we would like to congratulate you, Archbishop, and many more years of service in the Lord. And once again, congratulations. Thank you. And now, invite Richard Kahit to present Archbishop with a small gift.
Before I cut this cake, I would like to thank God, thank all of you who have come this evening. I feel really so happy and feel at home.